Prove it. Starting now. Question 1. What is 20 divided by 5? The correct answer is C, 4. Question 2. What is 16 divided by 4? The correct answer is A, 4. Question 3. What is 72 divided by 6? The correct answer is B, 12. Question 4. What is 30 divided by 2? The correct answer is A, 15. Question 5. What is 11 divided by 1? The correct answer is B, 11. Question 6. What is 66 divided by 6? The correct answer is C, 11. Question 7. What is 90 divided by 9? The correct answer is A, 10. Question 8. What is 28 divided by 7? The correct answer is C, 4. Question 9. What is 77 divided by 11? The correct answer is B, 7. Question 10. What is 44 divided by 2? The correct answer is C, 22. Keep going. Question 11. What is 55 divided by 5? The correct answer is A, 11. Question 12. What is 48 divided by 12? The correct answer is B, 4. Question 13. What is 30 divided by 10? The correct answer is B, 3. Question 14. What is 12 divided by 2? The correct answer is C, 6. Question 15. What is 72 divided by 12? The correct answer is A, 6. Question 16. What is 60 divided by 10? The correct answer is C, 6. Question 17. What is 36 divided by 12? The correct answer is B, 3. Question 18. What is 10 divided by 2? The correct answer is A, 5. Question 19. What is 18 divided by 3? The correct answer is B, 6. Question 20. What is 24 divided by 4? The correct answer is C, 6. Halfway there. Question 21. What is 15 divided by 3? The correct answer is A, 5. Question 22. What is 36 divided by 6? The correct answer is B, 6. Question 23. What is 45 divided by 9? The correct answer is C, 5. Question 24. What is 32 divided by 8? The correct answer is A, 4. Question 25. What is 21 divided by 7? The correct answer is B, 3. Question 26. What is 40 divided by 8? The correct answer is C, 5. Question 27. What is 27 divided by 9? The correct answer is A, 3. Question 28. What is 14 divided by 7? The correct answer is B, 2. Question 29. What is 50 divided by 10? The correct answer is C, 5. Question 30. What is 63 divided by 9? The correct answer is A, 7. You are a genius. Question 31. What is 42 divided by 6? The correct answer is B, 7. Question 32. What is 56 divided by 8? The correct answer is C, 7. Question 33. What is 8 divided by 2? The correct answer is A, 4. Question 34. What is 9 divided by 3? The correct answer is B, 3. Question 35. What is 6 divided by 2? The correct answer is A, 3. Question 36. What is 12 divided by 3? The correct answer is C, 4. Question 37. What is 15 divided by 5? The correct answer is A, 3. Question 38. What is 24 divided by 6? The correct answer is B, 4. Question 39. What is 18 divided by 6? The correct answer is C, 3. Question 40. What is 20 divided by 4? The correct answer is A, 5. Almost done. Question 41. What is 36 divided by 4? The correct answer is B, 9. Question 42. What is 25 divided by 5? The correct answer is C, 5. Question 43. What is 30 divided by 6? The correct answer is A, 5. Question 44. What is 40 divided by 5? The correct answer is B, 8. Question 45. What is 16 divided by 2? The correct answer is C, 8. Question 46. What is 45 divided by 5? The correct answer is A, 9. Question 47. What is 12 divided by 4? The correct answer is B, 3. Question 48. What is 10 divided by 5? The correct answer is A, 2. Question 49. What is 21 divided by 3? The correct answer is B, 7. Question 50. What is 32 divided by 4? The correct answer is C, 8. Congratulations! You completed Quiz Dragon. How many did you get right? Write it in the comments.